Welcome to the 2019 Neighborhood Council Candidate Registration Portal. The Neighborhood Council Candidate Registration Portal is an application you can use to run for a Neighborhood Council board seat for the upcoming 2019 Neighborhood Council elections. This is the first of 3 videos that will show you how to complete a Neighborhood Council Candidate Registration filing application. This video will show you how to select the Neighborhood Council you wish to run in and where to enter your name and birth date. First, log into your account with your username and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password button. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to a welcome page. To access the site's menu, click on the menu icon in the top left corner of the page. Next, click on the candidates link to begin the application process. Click the Register button. A blank application will appear. Please note that your application must be completed and submitted by 5 p.m. of your Neighborhood Council's candidate filing deadline. For a list of deadlines, click on the link provided in the application. Please be aware that some of the information you provide on this candidate filing application is public information and subject to California Public Records Act requests. First, select the neighborhood council that you wish to run in. If you do not see your neighborhood council listed, please check the city clerk's website to verify your neighborhood council's candidate filing period. Next, select the seat that you wish to run for. Once you select a seat, the specific qualifications for that seat will appear. These qualifications list each seat's age and stakeholder requirements and are taken directly from each neighborhood council's bylaws. Next, select what type of stakeholder you are. If you identify as a community interest stakeholder, please state how you participate in the neighborhood council in a substantial and ongoing basis. Next, enter your name as you would like it to appear on the ballot. Next, enter your name, date of birth, and phone number. Our staff may use your phone number to contact you if they have any questions about your application. If you do not have a phone number, please enter 000000000. If you have any questions, please contact our office at 213-978-0444 or toll free at 888-873-1000 for direct assistance.